Around the world, borders are becoming smarter, faster, and more heavily monitored than ever before. Governments are now using artificial intelligence, facial recognition, drones, biometric tracking, and massive surveillance systems to monitor immigration and border security in real time. What once looked like science fiction is quickly becoming reality. But how exactly is AI changing global immigration enforcement? And could these technologies completely transform the future of borders forever? Today, we take you inside the rise of AI-powered border security. Welcome to International Migration Brief. For decades, border security depended mostly on physical checkpoints, border patrol agents, passports, and manual inspections. But today, governments are rapidly moving toward digital border systems powered by artificial intelligence and automation. Modern immigration enforcement is no longer just about walls and fences. It's now about data. Countries are collecting massive amounts of information through biometric databases, travel history, visa applications, airport systems, mobile tracking, and facial recognition cameras. This information allows governments to monitor migration patterns faster than ever before. Experts say border systems are entering a completely new technological era. Artificial intelligence is already being used in many immigration systems worldwide. Facial recognition. Many airports now use facial recognition technology to verify traveler identities within seconds. Instead of manually checking passports, cameras scan faces and compare them against government databases. Authorities argue this speeds up processing and improves security. AI risk analysis. Some governments are developing AI systems capable of identifying high-risk travelers based on travel history, visa records, criminal databases, and behavioral patterns. These systems help immigration officers prioritize inspections and investigations. Automated border gates. Airports worldwide are increasingly using automated passport gates powered by biometric verification. Travelers can now enter some countries without speaking to an officer directly. This technology reduces wait times and increases automation. AI is also transforming physical border enforcement. Many governments now use drones, thermal imaging, motion sensors, radar systems, and satellite surveillance to monitor remote border regions. These technologies allow authorities to detect illegal crossings in real time. Some drones can operate for hours while transmitting live footage directly to border command centers. AI systems can even identify movement patterns and alert authorities automatically. Several countries are investing billions into smart borders designed to combine surveillance technology with rapid enforcement response. Supporters argue these systems strengthen national security and reduce illegal crossings. Critics warn they may expand mass surveillance and reduce privacy protections. The United States is heavily expanding technology at the southern border. U.S. agencies are increasingly using surveillance towers, drones, biometric scanners, facial recognition systems, and AI-assisted monitoring. Border authorities argue technology helps secure vast remote areas more efficiently than traditional patrol methods. At airports, biometric screening systems are already being used to verify travelers entering and leaving the country. Meanwhile, immigration databases continue expanding. Critics, however, warn about data privacy concerns, potential system bias, and increased government surveillance powers. The debate over digital border enforcement is growing rapidly in the United States. Europe is also investing heavily in border technology. The European Union is developing advanced systems designed to track travelers, visa overstays, asylum applications, and migration flows. Several European countries now use biometric visa systems, AI-supported border monitoring, and advanced passenger screening technology. European officials say these tools improve security and help manage migration pressure more efficiently. However, privacy advocates warn that expanding surveillance systems could affect civil liberties and individual freedoms. The balance between security and privacy remains highly controversial. As AI expands into immigration enforcement, human rights concerns are growing. Critics argue that facial recognition systems can make errors, algorithms may contain bias, and surveillance systems could unfairly target vulnerable groups. Human rights organizations warn that some migrants may be tracked, monitored, or flagged incorrectly by automated systems. Others worry about governments collecting massive amounts of personal data without strong oversight. Supporters argue that technology improves efficiency, reduces fraud, and strengthens border security. This debate over security versus privacy is becoming one of the biggest global technology issues of the decade. Experts believe future borders may become almost entirely digital. In the coming years, travelers could face AI passport verification, biometric-only airport entry, automated immigration interviews, predictive migration analysis, and real-time global traveler tracking. Some experts even predict countries may eventually use AI systems capable of analyzing migration trends before crises happen. At the same time, governments may continue tightening immigration systems using advanced monitoring technology. The future of borders could become far more automated and far more powerful. Governments around the world are unlikely to slow down investments in AI border security. As migration pressure continues rising, countries will likely expand surveillance systems, digital identification, biometric databases, and AI-driven immigration enforcement. But concerns over privacy, civil liberties, and government power will continue growing as well. The world is entering a new age of digital borders, and the technologies being developed today could permanently change how nations control migration and security in the future. What do you think? Should governments use AI and surveillance technology to strengthen border security, or are digital borders becoming too powerful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to International Migration Brief for more immigration news, border policy analysis, and global migration updates. Thanks for watching.